What's going on, guys? I had the opportunity to attend the very first Just Drive event here at the Custard Factory in Birmingham, organised by two petrol heads whom you'll see shortly. Personally myself, I thought it's going to be a supercar show with many cars on display, but it turned out to be there's only a few, which I'm not concerned about, because the main goal for today is to get people in to talk about their passion for cars, to watch a short supercar film on screen and check out other cars that are on display. Personally myself, I'm not experienced in cars as much, but wouldn't you guys want to jump in one of these?
This is about 9 years old before they changed the shape.
9 years old?
It doesn't look good, does it?
It doesn't look like
It's actually about 9 years old. They slightly changed the shape with the new ones, they changed the Gulf wings.
Oh, right, okay.
There's a minor difference between them, but it's still the prettiest thing we've ever seen.
It is, yeah, that's right, yeah. Take the test off for the test run next.
8 days time.
I always wanted to test drive this car.
Yeah, it's amazing. You'll love it, and you can share with it on YouTube. You can share with everyone.
That's right.
Yeah.
Really.
Tell people what you think and give your honest opinion. So tell people what you think online.
So I should receive an email.
Oh, I'm going to email you now. Yeah, you'll get an email just confirming that you'll get a text message just reminding you.
Okay.
Maybe somebody will call you just remind you to bring your driving license.
Oh, okay.
So they'll say, please bring your driving license, otherwise you can't put your own insurance, that sort of thing. And then we'll get you signed up and ready to roll. But yeah, absolute pleasure. Lovely to meet you.
I've always been to events and there's thousands of people there, and I've always thought if we all kind of got together and did good and tried to help people at the same time, I think it's a win-win for everyone. So the plan for Just Drive is to try and put on really sort of amazing events. Hopefully this little event, today, is just a little glimpse of what we have planned in the future. And I hope that we can try and spread the word and try and do more events and work together and really try and sort of make the world a better place. It's cliche, but I really hope that we can do that. I have my good friend who's also called Omar.
Umar the first.
Yes. And he's a chap that I met on Unity FM, the radio station, which some of you may know that I do every week. And we got on quite well. He's a lawyer by day and petrolhead by night. Old Top Gear presenter and then went on to Fifth Gear, and he spent most of his career just drifting cars and driving beautiful vehicles, and that sort of inspired me to try and be involved as much as possible with the cars within my life. And then lately Chris Harris, and Chris Harris used to do videos sort of independently on YouTube, and then very recently he's now one of the new Top Gear presenters. So those are the two sort of main inspirations, and we're about to show you a Chris Harris video. It's from 2014. It's his Car of the Year video, and it just it really captures for me the idea of just enjoying cars, no matter what type of car it is.
So I'm all booked in for a test drive with Tesla, and guys, I've totally enjoyed this small social meetup with the organisers and others in this very first Just Drive event. Wish them guys the very best, and I'll catch you guys the next one. Peace.